Right then guys, having a little look at the blues here. Quite a nice easy progression we can do here. We're going to start with this thing here. Look, we're going to go 2 2 4 4 on the A string like this. But what you're going to do, you're going to add the open E string in as well. Okay. So I've got my first finger and my third finger I'm using to do that. And we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, and then look, we're going to go, this 2 2 4 4 is going to stay on the same frets, but we're going to go up to the D string. And now you're going to play the A and the D string, and we're going to do 8 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then back down for the same, back where you were. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now for this M bit here, we're going to do power chords. So we're going to go power chord here. So first finger, we're going on 7. So first finger 7, third finger on 9. So there's a power chord there. We're going to go 7, just 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then down to 2 frets to 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we're going to end with the very first thing we were doing again on the 2 2 4 4 on the A string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, so 8 beats there on everything apart from those power chords. You're just going to do 4. All right, so there's a cool thing actually you can do at the end of this bit, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Instead of doing 8, we're actually going to go change to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, and then you're going to do this, look, little turn around there. Let me play it to you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So what I'm doing there is 0 1 2 on the A string. Okay, little turnaround there, quite cool. So bit strange because it comes in on the offbeat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, so in between the claps there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and da da. Okay, cool. Let me play it to you again. 8 on the low one, E. 8 on the high one, which is A. Back down to the low one, E. 7th fret power chord, or B power chord for 4. 5th fret, or A. Down to this one again, the E. Alright, and you can have loads of fun with the blues. You can go fast. We can go slow. Alright. And we can make up our own lyrics as well. Oh yeah. I'm singing the blues. Oh yeah. Why don't you sing the blues? Any lyrics will do. Just sing about something old or something new.